cartoons.
Every man dreams of having his own car. Just the way everyone has a car, the same way Lambu and Tingu wanted one. They wished to buy a car very soon. They were working very hard to buy a car. They were doing different kinds of jobs and trying to earn money. Once they had enough money to buy a car, Tingu said to Lambu,
Oh, Lambu, now that we have got enough money, come on, let's go to the showroom and buy a car. You go and bring a taxi, let me close the suitcase and come. Oh my God, we have got lots of money in this suitcase.
What do we need taxi for? Let's walk. Anyway, we won't get any chance to walk once we get the car, you know.
But this luggage is really very heavy. So what do we do?
You don't have to worry when Lambu is here. I'll get this suitcase, give it to me. Anyway, when will this body will come into use, huh?
After saying that, Lambu lifted the suitcase and put it on his head. And then both of them headed towards the car showroom to buy a car.
One love for the mother's pride, one love for the times we cried, one love, gotta stay alive.
Lambu, you sing this song while driving. Why are you singing this now?
What are you talking about, Tingu? I know we don't have car, but our journey is still on. And nobody can tell what can happen on a journey with someone, you know.
You're absolutely right, Lambu. Nobody knows what will happen in the future. When I was in the loo in the morning, suddenly the water in the tap stopped. And if I knew that the water was going to stop, then I wouldn't have entered the toilet at all. But I never knew anything about that. That's what you call life. Nothing is predictable in this life. That's why let's keep going. Not to think much.
Yeah, that's why Lambu always says, one love for the mother's pride, one love for the times we cried, one love, gotta say
La 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 la.
And that's how they were passing their time on the way. That's when there was a huge cold breeze. It was so powerful that it opened Lambu's suitcase. All the money started flying.
Oh my God, money is raining down from the sky. See, Tingu, money is falling from the sky.
It is not water in the rain. It is money which is falling.
That's how Tingu started running behind the money. And then he started to catch every bit of it. But the breeze was powerful, so it was very difficult to get a hold. Tingu screamed loudly.
Lambu, please help me in collecting the money. We'll buy a Ferrari with this money.
Hey Tingu, how do I pick this money up? I have this money bag on my head.
That's when Tingu looked at the suitcase on Lambu's head. And he got super worried.
Lambu, we are gone. We are destroyed.
Hey, what happened? Why are you shouting?
Oh, Lambu, I didn't lock the suitcase properly. And you also didn't notice it. You look like a big tar. You never ever realized that the suitcase was open.
What?
Yes.
They decided to count all the money that was left. And then they realized it was just half of what they had.
Hey, this is just half the money. We need a lot more than this to buy the car. What do we do now?
Don't worry, Lambu. We'll buy a second-hand car. But we'll definitely buy a car.
And then Lambu and Tingu headed towards a second-hand car showroom.
Oh, my name is Sukhvinder. Selling car wonder. Tell me, what do you want, brother?
Have we come to buy a horse in a car shop? Come on, show us a wonderful car within our budget.
None of our car is out of budget. I'll show you a car that government will forget to take tax.
And then Lambu and Tingu saw a car that they really liked a lot.
Can I go for a test drive?
Sure, go ahead and drive. I'm not a government who will ban you.
Tingu sat in the car. He started the car and got out of the showroom.
Beautiful life, beautiful life, beautiful life. What will happen tomorrow? Nobody knows.
And then he returned with the car to the showroom.
Hey Lambu, this car is wonderful. Let's buy it.
Wait, let me test drive it too. Yes, sir. Why not?
And then Lambu tried to take the car for a spin, but he was so tall that he couldn't fit in the car.
Hey man, this car is not for me. I am not able to sit in this car. Oh, my name is Sukhvinder. Working wonder. I'll do one thing. I'll cut off the roof of this car. Then you'll able to fit in this car.
So Sukhvinder opened the car. He cut the top and that's when it became an open car. So Lambu sat in the car and he took the car out for a spin.
Wow! What a car, man! It's so wonderful!
Once Lambu returned with the car, he spoke to Sukhvinder.
This is a wonder car, Sukhvinder. We want this car, brother. Give me a green bundle and take the car. What do you mean? Money's bundle, money's bundle.